So this is the garage and the villa. We're gonna go on the side, and it's surrounded by a lot of green space, which is really nice, and trees, palm trees. And this is the entryway. We'll get inside afterwards, and I'm gonna show you the little patio, the front. A lot of trees. Here is the little patio. Isn't that very cute? And this is behind the Florida room and the kitchen. So let's go inside. Here we go, in the living room, very spacious. The villa is a little bit over 1,000 square feet. The kitchen. And the little Florida room. They have a breakfast room now. Onto the patio. And this is the master bedroom. Let's go inside this way. Very nice and spacious. And the master bath. The shower has been done. Now let's go to the other bedroom. It's a split floor plan, so very convenient. The second bedroom is here. Nice size, with closet here. And right next to it, the bathroom. We done also the shower. And off the living room, you have the laundry room. Full-size washer dryer, extra closet. And it goes to the garage. One-car garage. Voila!